Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Parsa from GR Tutorial. Today we are going to make your system faster than ever. So if you want to make your system faster, let's go and let's learn.
As you know, all of us wants to have a fast window for our works, like installing and etc. Let's learn 15 points about that and have a fast windows. First one is backgrounds. Let's see how can manage it. For this work, go to the Windows setting and go to the privacy on the left, find the background applications and click on it. You see with the clicking every programs you can disable or enable it. Let me tell you something. With disabling every applications or options that you wanted and you don't use it, you can't have a faster Windows. Next one is Cortana. Cortana is like Siri and Google Voice Assistant, and it helps us for searching and something like that. So in the search part, we search Cortana and click on it and go to the setting and you can enable or disable it. Next one is apps and features. Go to the setting and go to the apps. You see many apps. With uninstall every app, you can have a faster Windows. Next one is startups. So right click on the taskbar and choose the task manager and click on more detail. So go to the startups and you can disable or enable any app that you want. Operating system display time. So for this work, go to the properties and go to the advanced system setting, then go and choose setup and recovery and go to the setting and you can see this option. This option helps us that how time the computer have a time to choose systems. So let's go. So close all the windows and go to the performance and go to the setting and choose the best work item for the Windows in this window. Next one is virtual memory. It's a part of our data, and if you are not good, it's better to don't do anything. Next one is transparencies. Go to the setting and go to the personalize. On the left, go to the color and transparencies and you can see this option. You can turn on or turn off it, and you can see the difference between turning on this option and turning off this option so well. Next one is notification. As you know, the Windows works, we go to the setting part whole of the time or most of the time. Next one is power option. Go to the setting, go to the system on the left and choose the power. Go to the additional power setting. You see the high performance takes more battery. Next one is maintenance. It means take care. For this work, go to the control panel, choose the security and maintenance and click on drop down. Then click on start maintenance and recover it. Next option is defragmentation. Go to the search and search defragmentation and go to the optimize drivers. Choose any drive, click on optimize for optimize it. Next one is the temporary file is one of the most important point between all these points. So go to the search and search run. Click on it and it opens a window. So type temp on it, T-E-M-P and enter. Click on enter. It opens a window for us. Press Ctrl A, choose all of them. Delete all of them. Close all the windows and go back to the search. Search again, run. Press enter and it opens the same window as you saw. Okay, in this time, search %temp% and press enter. It opens a new window for us and press Ctrl A for choosing all of the files and delete all of them. Close all of the windows and go back again and search run again. Press enter and it opens the same window for us. In this time we search Prefetch. Press the enter and it opens a window for us. Press the Ctrl A and choose all of them. Delete all of them and done. Next one is this clean up. For this one, go to the search and search this clean up. Click on it and it opens window for us. With clicking every drivers that you want, you can click on it and choose it, and you can delete every files that you want.
So we learn it, and having a fast system is so important for everyone in many guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and here is your tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. See you later.